How to grow money plant from the cuttings. I have one money plant. I just cut one branch and made 3 pieces. And now I have a small planter. This is here is the turmeric powder. You can buy from the store where the herbs are and maybe cost $2-3 only. And then you will try to see this one. Little bit put water and mix and just apply to all the plant where the eyes are, and just apply everywhere, and here where the plant's eyes growing, and then apply on the top. Everywhere apply and just plant, and we will put some here. This is a root activator, and this will and I just fix like that. And then the another one, 2-3 branches we will put the same idea here. Just apply all with the bat, apply all here to the eyes where the eyes are growing, and just put on the top and on the bottom. This herb, antiseptic herb, is working as a root activator, and this one 100% grow. And you will, so many times you like to grow some plants from cuttings, you will love this idea. This is a very beautiful working idea. So 3 plants already, and the next one is the last one here. 4 plants. Here apply on the top where the eyes are, apply and just put like that. Then what we do, we will put all the water, and this one is going to the plant. So that's done, and now we will put some potting mix. The potting mix and press, and we will fix this side, press hard. And then we put some water. Put little bit water, and this one we will keep in the shaded area for some days, and this one will start growing. And after 7 days you can see the progress in here. See, this one start growing. So in the winter time the progress is bit slow, but this one start growing. So thanks for watching.